Bay window is a window that protrudes from your home. And this is, a lot of people will mix this up. They're like, I have a bay window in my house. And what they're referencing is a side window, usually a double hung or a casement, a middle picture window, and then another side window, double hung or casement to match. When it's flat, that isn't a bay window. A bay window is that actually protrudes out and has a seat or bench on the inside of it. A bow window, just to differentiate, a bay window is 3 windows. One window going out at an angle, one window flat, one window returning at an angle. A bow window is 4 or 5 windows. It's one window going out, one window going out. If it's a 5 window, one window flat, one window returning, one window returning. And if you look from above, it looks like a bow from a bow and arrow. And so that is the difference between a bay and a bow. They actually project from your home. You can have flat windows in your house and go back with a bay or a bow window. It's just, you need the space for it. So like, just as an example, if you have the traditional side window, big middle window, side window, and that's flat right now, if you wanted to put a bay in there, we simply remove that unit. We build an entire bay unit that sets inside that opening. And then that gives you the additional living space on the inside. You can sit in it. It's insulated, so it's not gonna freeze or get hot or cold like if it was an outside thing. And I mean, it's attached to your home. It's secure, it's attractive, and it doesn't sag or pull off the house or anything like that. There's obviously an additional cost involved to that as opposed to doing a flat window. But I mean, within reason, I've done homes where I did a bow window, that's a 5-window unit, where it was 10 feet wide and it was 70 inches tall. And I've done homes where we've done a bay window where it was 60 inches wide and 3 feet tall. So it's just within reason, whatever you'd like to do. And everything we do is custom built. So pretty much within reason, we can make it work.